In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a tweet on your Twitter/X account. So what we can do is go to your Twitter, and what I'm going to do is just simply tweet something, and then I'll show you how to delete it. So to actually make a tweet, you're going to look at your plus sign at the bottom right corner here, and you're going to send a tweet. So I'm just going to type in, "This is a test," and we're going to post it, and then your post was sent. Now to go ahead and find that tweet, what we're going to do is actually just go to your profile at the top left corner here, and you're going to go to your profile. So from this point, this is the tweet that I just sent. So what we can do is go ahead and you see those three dots on the far right side of your tweet. Go ahead and click those, and you're going to have all of these options here for this. And what we can do is go ahead and delete the post, and then it just comes off. And that is how you would delete a tweet on your X/Twitter account. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.